Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Stt-Mani. Today we are learn about how to interface sound sensor with Stt-Mani Arduino Uno board. Connect the USB cable to Stt-Mani Arduino Uno board. Connect the sound sensor VCC pin to plus 5 volts pin of Stt-Mani Arduino Uno board. Connect the sound sensor A0 pin to A0 pin of Stt-Mani Arduino Uno board. Connect the sound sensor ground pin to ground pin of Stt-Mani Arduino Uno board. Now to open code, go to this PC as I already did it and saved to my device. I am opening it. Please wait a moment until the code opens. Now go to Tools and check whether the Arduino Uno board is connected or not. And also check whether the port is connected or not. Now let us compile the code. As there is no errors in the code, we got done compiling. Now let us upload the code to the board. As we got done uploading. Connect the power supply. Now adjust the sound sensor light intensity. The sound sensor that detects the sound waves via the sound's intensity. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel.